If you feel like you're going through life as an NPC, you need to watch this video. Strap in, because today I'm going to teach you how to become the main character. The essence of life is the pursuit of success through purpose. So what do you want to be successful in? Do you want to be a stunt driver for movies? Or perhaps a world champion fighter?
I want to eat his children.
If you currently don't know what you want to do in life, then simply seek experiences. If you're at school, join different clubs just for the hell of it. Learn to play chess, practice judo, or become a culinary chef. Even if it's something you aren't really interested in, do it to meet new people. Ask them about their lives.
What do you do for a living?
People create opportunities, as it's often not what you know, but who you know. Remember this, your only goal when you don't have a goal is to gain experiences. Next, you have to stop comparing your life to the life of others. If you say things like, his life is perfect because he's rich, or he's only popular because he's attractive, or probably the worst one I hear all the time, I'll be happy when I get a girlfriend. Now, it is natural human behavior to compare yourself to others. In the right amount, this can actually benefit you. Because if you see someone who's jacked and you have the physique of Squidward, your comparison may motivate you to join the gym. However, it gets unhealthy when you start to compare your life to others, and then proceed to do nothing about it. Now, in nearly every movie, you see the main character always win. They usually have some sort of help, some force that pushes them just a little bit further to do the impossible. What if I told you that this force exists in real life? Some call it the universe, others call it God, but there's always a key moment in every successful person's history that turned them from rags to riches real quick. But to gain that force, you have to earn it. On your journey to the top, you will face many problems, but it's your ability to overcome these problems and keep going that will mold you into the main character. Once you prove to the universe that you are serious in your pursuit of success, the universe will actually start helping you. And it's weird, but you just start noticing things going in your favor a lot more. I want you to make a promise to yourself that once you have finished this video, liked and subscribed, that you do nothing but pursue your success. It's time to become the main character. Peace. Main character? Like Scooby?